We will build XSLT from transforming Apex report data into colored word table from our previous videos. First, you need to create building block file in MS Word. Building block file should have all elements final document will have. You have to save it as some text-based format like HTML or RTF. We will save it as web page filtered. Next, you can convert building block file into starter XSLT. You can do it with HTML to a XSLT procedure. XML dir is Oracle database directory. Obviously, procedure creates color table underscore starter dot XSLT file. Let's examine this file. It's perfectly valid XSLT, but what is its output? Starter XSLT transform any input XML back into building block file. It doesn't include any XML data yet. If you don't have access to Oracle server directory, you can use other HTML to XSLT procedures with single in-out parameter to get starter XSLT. We pasted building block file here. Let's run PL/SQL block and see the result. Of course, output is the same XSLT as before. Third way to build starter XSLT from building blocks is inside Apex. First, we have to upload building block file into application static files. Then we have to create new page. Page will host our Region2XSLTReport plugin. Let's name it demo report. Then we will add process at process point on load before header. Type of process is again Region2XSLTReport plugin. Let's choose orders page with ID 4 for report page. We will change what to download attribute to starter XSLT. Next, we will enter building block file name. Remember, building block file is one of the application static files. In previous step, we forget to change output format to HTML and not escape special characters in BB file to yes. Check plugin help for detailed info about these attributes. We will run download page. Download of starter XSLT begins. In process of development, you will probably want to find some character strings from building block file. In process of building XSLT, developer needs input XML. Let's see where to get it. We will return back to our Region2XSLTReport process plugin. We need to change what to download attribute to temporary XML. Then we can download the input XML for our XSLT as source.xml. Last time we visited orders page interactive report was in group by mode. XML reflects that. You should develop XSLT which can transform any possible interactive report XML into user-friendly document. So let's examine slightly more complicated interactive report and XML with control breaks, aggregations and highlighting data included. We have to return to our download page with ID 31 to download XML. Because we didn't add any redirect to download page 41 on page orders, we have to do this via application builder. Download starts. Info about control breaks, aggregations and highlights is in XML element attributes. Let's save our XML as orders.xml for further XSLT development. Developer has to finalize XSLT on his own. Region2XSLTReport offers some PL/SQL support here. Let's check this on some dummy example. Again we will use MS Word color table. Let's assume someone wants table header background in dark blue color. We will need to edit colored word table.xslt. Let's change background color to dark blue. You can use one of XSL transform procedures for testing XSLT. XML dir is Oracle server directory. File orders .dots is output. Let's check it. It's really ugly, but that's what we wanted. Usually you would need to delete old XSLT from static files and upload new XSLT to use it in Apex. Fortunately, Region2XSLTReport comes with refresh static file procedures. We will execute the procedure and check result in Apex application. If you don't have access to any of Oracle server directories, you can use CLOB version of XSL transform and refresh static file procedures.